To use the survey feature in Moodle, follow these instructions. First, turn editing on. Next, select Add an Activity and select Survey. Go ahead and name the survey. Before I do that, I'm going to talk about the survey types. There are 3. They are pre-made. You cannot make your own type of survey. ATTLS, ATTLS, surveys whether a student prefers connected learning or disconnected learning. In other words, do they learn better in a group or do they learn better working on their own? Critical Incident Survey is a short survey. It's 5 questions, and it asks the students, say you were to teach a lesson, and then you would give them the critical incident survey right afterwards. And it asks questions like, at what point during the class were you most engaged? At what point were you least engaged? To give you feedback on your instructional method. It's a good survey. These last 3 deal with using the World Wide Web for learning. These are more for what kind of online learner are you if you're taking a distance course. So these probably aren't going to relate too much to us. So I'm going to go ahead and use this ATTLS. And a good idea when you're first having students log into Moodle for the very first time in your class, a good idea is to have them do this survey, because even if they have a problem with their login, if whatever kinks need to be worked out before you get into your first big lesson in Moodle, if you have them do a learning style survey, 2 things will happen. One, if it doesn't go right, it's okay because you're just doing a learning style survey and not a major lesson. And 2, assuming that it does go well, you'll get some valuable information, feedback for your students. And the way this is displayed in Moodle is very user-friendly. I know a lot of teachers give surveys on the first day of class, and then collecting and making that data meaningful can be difficult. Once again, Moodle will do that task for you. Okay, so I'm just going to name this sample survey. I can put a custom introduction in here. There is an introduction that goes along with each of these styles of surveys, so you don't have to do that if you don't want to. Scroll on the bottom, click Save and Return to Course. Now the survey is done. To take this survey, just click on the survey itself. Answer the questions depending on the survey type, and then click here to continue. I won't actually do that because I'm logged in as a teacher right now, but it's that simple. Then as a teacher, you click on it and you go right here where it says, view how many ever number of survey responses that you have, and it will give you some good useful information. And this has been how to use the survey feature in Moodle.